Covehurst Bay, tucked beneath the cliffs of Hastings Country Park, is one of the most secluded stretches of coast in East Sussex. Accessed only by steep woodland paths and tidal timing, it remains a place few ever see, especially like this, at low tide. The sands here stretch far and wide, broken by slippery, jagged rocks and backed by cliffs laid down millions of years ago. Just offshore from Ness Ledge, this bay is home to a small colony of Atlantic grey seals. Around 40% of the world's grey seals are found in UK waters, and they're a protected species, hauling out here to rest, conserve energy, and socialise. These 10 or so individuals are likely part of a larger group that uses this wild stretch as a safe haven. I filmed these from a distance, using a drone to avoid disturbing them. Even so, the hum of the rotors is enough to make them wary, so I never push too close. Watching them bask at the water's edge, shifting position as the tide changes, is a reminder of how important these undisturbed spots are for wildlife. As the drone pulls back, the scale of this bay becomes clear. A sweep of golden sand, rock pools, and deep blue water under a wide sky. No phone signal, no cafes, no lifeguards. Just the sound of the waves and the cries of gulls. Places like this survive because they're hard to reach and long. May that remain the case.